Kangaroos just across the road. Up the hill we go. Difficult to see if I can see them. Camera. Attacked this morning by a fucking kangaroo. Look, he's savaging the bike. I've camped in a national park and he's obviously smelt some food on the bike and he's come in and he's fucking trying to nibble everything. It's been a real pain in the fucking arse because all I want to do is get going. Look at that. A wallaby or roo. So I need to pack this up, zip it up before he gets wind of what's going on. He can smell the nanas though. Look at that. My camera's not working so I can't get a picture, it's gone down again. But he looks ace, doesn't he? I'm going to have to shoot him away anyway and have some breakfast. Hello fella, you're not having any of my nanas. There he is on my stove. I'm trying to just make a brew. And there's nuggets hanging around.